number 3. Write the following rational numbers in their decimal form using theorem 1.4. So come to the solution. What is theorem 1.4 says? So P by Q is the rational number. Q is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. Q is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. Okay, now come to first one, solution 1, Roman 1, 13 by 25. So 13 by 25 you can write 5 square. Now you have to multiply with 2 square by 2 square. Because here 5 square is there, you have to multiply with 2 square. This is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. Now this is a 13 into 4 by, this is a power m into b power n, ab whole power m. 5 into 2 whole power 2. 13 4s are 52 by, this is 5 2s are 10, square means 100. So what is the decimal take after the 2 digits? 0.52. Now come to the second one. 15 by 16. So 15 by 16 means 2 power 4. You have to multiply, divide with 5 power 4 by 5 power 4. Because here 2 power 4 is there, you have to multiply with 5 power 4, that you can write 10 power 4. So you should understand, in the decimal form, in the denominator, all you have to make it the powers of 10. The powers of 10. Here that is equal to 15 into 625 by, this is a 10 power 4. So 15 625 is 9375 divided by 10 power 4 means 10,000. 10,000. So you have to make it the decimal point after the 4 digits, because here there are 4 zeros. Take the 4 zeros from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the decimal point. So this is equal to 0.9375. Now come to third one. 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. You have to multiply with, here 2 cube is there, 5 square is there, you have to multiply, divide with 5. It's enough. 23 5s are, 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 115 by, this you can write 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 means 115 by 1000. Take after the 3 digits decimal point, 0.115. Now come to the fourth one. 7218 by 3 square into 5 square. Now 7218 by 3 square means 9 into 5 square. You can cancel with 9 here in the numerator. 9 8 is 72, 0, 9 2 is 18, 802. Cancel the 9 into 5 square. Now you have to multiply, divide with 2 square by 2 square, because here 5 square is there, make it 2 square, that will make it 10 square. So 802 into 4 by, this is 10 square. So 802 means 3208 by 100. Take the decimal after the 2 digits, 1 2, 32.08. Now come to fifth one. 143 by 110. So this you can write 143 by 11 10 ja 110. 10 you can write 2 into 5. That means 2 into 5 into 11. 2 5 is 10, 10 11 is 110. Now 11 you can cancel. 11 how many times? 11 1 is 11. 3 33. 11 3 is 33. 13 by 2 into 5. This is 13 by 10. After one digit you have to take the decimal point. This is nothing but 1.3.